Hello guys, good day. I just want to show you the latest update on our agent team. Agent team is work now on PHP 8 or also on BCBox 12 and other installation. Okay, so let's see how which what is the okay. So this is the current display. So okay, so you the web phone, the BG phone is already removed, and also you have a stats over here, the total calls, how many calls you made. So manual dial, this one should be the post and ready. So to manual dial directly here, over here. Okay, then I just called my number. Okay, as you can see it's on live. So this is the how the lead info will show over here. Okay, script, if you have a script. Okay, so if you want to transfer, so you just click this one for transfer. Okay, you can see local closer and call to number. Okay, so this one the direct dialing number. So same as old video but different settings. Okay, and if you want to hang up, just click hang up, and you will select your disposition. And I want to go to the post. Okay, so for auto dial, just press this one and the system will start dialing. Okay, so hope you like it. So you can visit the shop hbtutorial.com, so you can buy it there and download and just copy and just upload the file on your Bichidal directory, and it's already there. So if you want to change the logo, just visit the path on the agent images and look for the logo.png. You can replace the logo with yours. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.